I am Johnny, also known as Garden with Johnny. I'm a gardener, yes, but I'm a bit of a lawn care obsessive. So I thought I'd share a few quick tips to help you keep your lawns looking good this August. So first up, if your lawn's gone a little bit brown, honestly, do not panic. It's completely normal this time of year. Most of the time, it's just in dormancy. The grass is just conserving its energy in the dry conditions, and it will soon green up again as soon as we get a little bit of rainfall. I mean, my grass a few weeks ago was pretty brown, and now look at it, it's okay. If you're mowing, oh my God, I absolutely love mowing. I digress. Keep going, but raise the blade higher. Longer grass helps shade the soil, which reduces moisture loss and protects the roots from the heat. If you're watering, do it early in the morning or late evening. Aim for about once or twice a week and make sure you do it deeply. It's much better than doing it little and often. And if you've got a hose pipe ban, a watering can or rainwater butt works just as well. So hold off on any fertiliser or feed. I normally wait until the autumn comes around. A plane going over, just 1 second. If those pesky weeds are creeping in, now's a good time to tackle them by hand, especially after when it's rained, when the soil is softer and the roots come out more easily. And if your lawn's looking really bad and tired, don't worry, we're nearly into September, which is the ideal time for scarifying, aerating and overseeding. Scarifying removes thatch and moss, aeration improves drainage and airflow, and overseeding helps thicken up bare patches. I hope those quick fire tips have helped you. I'm Garden with Johnny, and stay green, stay gorgeous. Drainage and airflow. Stop making me laugh. My kids are making me laugh.